The holiday season is a time to bring warmth, joy, and festive cheer to your home, and there's no better way to do that than with Christmas lights. For homeowners in Southlake, Permanent Christmas Lights offer a convenient, stylish, and energy-efficient way to decorate your home for the holidays year after year. These lights eliminate the hassle of traditional holiday lighting while providing a beautifully designed, long-lasting solution to enhance your home's curb appeal during the holiday season. In this article, we'll explore how permanent Christmas lights can transform your Southlake home's holiday decor, providing benefits beyond just decoration. Convenience and time saving. One of the biggest challenges of decorating for the holidays is the time-consuming task of setting up and taking down Christmas lights each year. Traditional holiday lights can be cumbersome to hang and untangle, often requiring a ladder, extension cords, and hours of work. With permanent Christmas lights, you'll no longer have to worry about the labor-intensive process. No seasonal setup. Permanent lights are professionally installed along your roofline or around your windows and doors, making them ready for use at any time. When the holidays roll around, simply flip a switch, and your home will be beautifully illuminated without any effort on your part. Easy to control. Many modern permanent lighting systems can be controlled remotely via smartphone apps or timers, allowing you to turn them on or off without having to leave the comfort of your home. You can set them to turn on automatically each evening, ensuring that your lights are always perfectly timed. Year-round use beyond the holiday. While permanent Christmas lights are a fantastic way to celebrate the holiday season, their versatility means you can enjoy them all year long. With the ability to change the colors and effects, permanent lights can be used for more than just Christmas decorations. Celebrate other occasions. Whether it's New Year's Eve, 4th of July, Halloween, or birthdays, you can customize your permanent Christmas lights to fit any celebration. Change the color scheme or create special light patterns that match the theme of your event, giving your home a festive touch for any occasion. Subtle, elegant lighting. Beyond the holidays, permanent lights can be set to a subtle, soft glow to enhance your home's exterior during the rest of the year. Choose a soft white or warm amber light to create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere for your family and guests. Curb appeal and home value. One of the most obvious ways permanent Christmas lights can enhance your Southlake home's holiday decor is by improving its curb appeal. Homes adorned with beautifully arranged lighting instantly become more inviting and stand out in the neighborhood. The holiday season is all about creating a welcoming atmosphere, and permanent lights can make your home feel festive and cheerful. Elegant, seamless design. Permanent lights are installed in a way that blends seamlessly with your home's exterior. They are discreetly hidden during the off-season, so they don't interfere with your home's appearance throughout the year. The sleek design enhances your home's architecture without detracting from its beauty. Neighborhood charm. In Southlake, where holiday spirit runs high, homes that feature permanent Christmas lights help create a warm, festive ambiance for the entire neighborhood. You'll be proud to be part of the community's holiday tradition, and your home will be a standout in the neighborhood's holiday displays. Increased home value. Investing in permanent lights can also enhance the long-term value of your property. A well-designed, high-quality lighting system adds both functional and aesthetic value, making it an attractive feature for potential buyers in the future. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Another advantage of permanent Christmas lights is their energy efficiency. Traditional incandescent holiday lights can be a significant drain on electricity, leading to higher utility bills during the holiday season. Permanent lights, on the other hand, are often LED-based, which means they consume far less energy while providing bright, vibrant lighting. Lower energy bills. LED lights are designed to last longer and use less power compared to traditional incandescent lights, which translates into cost savings. Over time, the energy efficiency of permanent lights helps offset the initial installation costs. Environmentally friendly. LED lights are not only energy efficient but also environmentally friendly. They produce less heat and use fewer resources, reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable holiday display. Durability and safety. Unlike traditional Christmas lights, which are prone to wear and tear from exposure to the elements, permanent Christmas lights are designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor conditions year after year. With weather-resistant materials and durable components, they can endure rain, snow, ice, and wind without suffering damage. Long-lasting. With proper installation and maintenance, permanent lights can last for many years, making them a one-time investment that provides long-term value. You won't have to worry about replacing burnt-out bulbs or tangled strings every holiday season. Safety. Professional installation of permanent Christmas lights ensures they are properly wired and safely installed, reducing the risk of electrical accidents, such as short circuits or fires. Additionally, with no need to climb ladders or handle wiring yourself, you avoid potential risks associated with DIY installations. Conclusion. Upgrading to permanent Christmas lights in Southlake offers a variety of benefits that go beyond just holiday decoration. These lights provide year-round enjoyment, enhance your home's curb appeal, save you time, and offer energy-efficient and safe lighting solutions. Whether you're looking to simplify your holiday preparations or create a stunning display for every season, permanent Christmas lights can transform your home into a festive and inviting space that shines brightly throughout the year. If you want a hassle-free, beautiful, and energy-efficient way to decorate your home, permanent Christmas lights are the perfect choice.